Agriculture is a cornerstone of society. A significant part of the workforce globally consists of farmers dependent on land for their livelihoods. Here comes the question, how can we make farming easier and less labor-intensive? To find the answer, I've come to visit an agri-tech company headquartered in South China's Nanning.
温总您好，可以请您给我们介绍一下我们企业最新的农业黑科技吗？
可以的。那下面我就给你介绍一下我们今年刚刚推出来的一款新的产品，叫做土地 AI。输入地址，沿着土地的边界走，它就会自动帮你计算你们家的土地的面积、周长，还有海拔等等信息，我就可以跟你的农场聊天了。我勾选它，展示一下我农场的基础信息，它会生成一份这块地的分析的报告。我们把所有的专家的各种技能、各种算法训练给他，让他成为我们老百姓口袋里面的专家。今年上线以来，目前已经超过50万的农户在应用了。
Technologies like artificial intelligence can be used on farms for various purposes, including crop management platform, self-driving tractors, and autonomous sprayers. In this experiment field, the farmers' operation have become more efficient and environmentally friendly.
这是我们那今年引进的无氏火龙果，这个品种的火龙果品相好，口感好，受市场欢迎。得益于我们使用了协家任的灌溉系统，加上我们精心的管理，取得了比较好的经济效益。
New high-quality productive forces are inseparable from the integration of innovation and industrial chains. Agriculture is no exception, as its core lies in advanced productivity driven by technological innovation. The Nanning government places significant emphasis on fostering breakthroughs in key areas of agricultural technology and converting them into practical productivity.
每年投入将近10%的营业收入在技术研发上面。2023年，在税务部门的辅导下，我们享受研发费用加计扣除820多万元。